Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on December 15th and 16th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. Ugly Sweater Day. Ugly Sweater Day, also known as National Ugly Christmas Sweater Day, is celebrated on the third Friday of December. This fun and light-hearted holiday embraces the joy of holiday-themed sweaters, particularly those that are overly gaudy, tacky, or adorned with excessive decorations. It has become a popular cultural phenomenon, especially in the United States. The day encourages people to wear their most outrageous holiday sweaters to work, school, or social gatherings, often leading to contests and parties where the ugliest sweater is celebrated. Ugly Sweater Day is not just about fashion fun, it's also an opportunity for people to come together, spread holiday cheer, and often raise funds for charities through events and contests. Participants on Ugly Sweater Day often dig out vintage sweaters, create their own with an abundance of holiday decorations, or even buy specially designed sweaters that feature over-the-top, festive designs. The day is a testament to holiday spirit and the joy of embracing a sense of humor and lightness during the festive season. Bill of Rights Day. Bill of Rights Day is observed annually on December 15th in the United States. This day marks the anniversary of the ratification of the Bill of Rights, the first 10 amendments to the U.S. Constitution, in 1791. The Bill of Rights Day is a significant occasion to honor and reflect on the fundamental liberties and rights these amendments guarantee to American citizens. The day serves as an educational and reflective opportunity to understand and appreciate the freedoms enshrined in these amendments, including freedom of speech, religion, assembly, the press, and the right to a fair trial, among others. These rights form the cornerstone of American democracy and have a profound impact on the country's legal and political landscape. Celebrations and observances on Bill of Rights Day often include educational events, discussions, and activities in schools, universities, and public institutions aimed at enhancing understanding of the Constitution and its impact. It's a day for citizens to contemplate the importance of civil liberties and the role they play in a democratic society. Bill of Rights Day is not just a celebration of historical significance but also a reminder of the ongoing relevance and importance of defending and upholding these fundamental rights in contemporary society. National Cupcake Day. National Cupcake Day is a delightful celebration dedicated to the small, individually sized cakes that have become a beloved treat worldwide. Typically observed in the United States, this day varies in its date of celebration. Some sources note December 15th, while others may designate a different day. This day is an opportunity for bakers, pastry chefs, and cupcake enthusiasts to indulge in creating and enjoying a wide variety of cupcakes. From classic flavors like chocolate and vanilla to more adventurous and unique combinations, National Cupcake Day encourages creativity and experimentation in the kitchen. Celebrations on this day can include cupcake baking and decorating contests, cupcake sales with proceeds going to charity, and sharing cupcakes with friends, family, and colleagues. It's also a popular day for bakeries to offer special deals or introduce new flavors. National Cupcake Day highlights not just the culinary joy of these treats but also the sense of community and sharing they often inspire. Whether homemade or purchased from a favorite bakery, cupcakes on this day are enjoyed by people of all ages as a symbol of sweetness and joy. International Tea Day. International Tea Day is celebrated annually on May 21st. It was designated by the United Nations General Assembly in recognition of the long history and deep cultural and economic significance of tea around the world. This day aims to raise awareness about the importance of tea in various cultures, its impact on those who produce it, and its contributions to sustainable development, especially in developing countries. The celebration of International Tea Day involves various activities that highlight the diversity of tea cultures, the health benefits of tea, and the importance of fair trade practices in the tea industry. It's a day when tea lovers, producers, and traders come together to celebrate and promote this beloved beverage. Events on International Tea Day may include tea tasting sessions, cultural performances related to tea, discussions on sustainable practices in tea production, and initiatives to support tea growers and workers. It's a day to appreciate the art of tea brewing and to acknowledge the efforts of millions of farmers whose livelihoods depend on tea cultivation. International Tea Day not only celebrates the rich tradition and economic importance of tea but also serves as a reminder of the need for equitable and sustainable production and consumption of this globally cherished drink. National Chocolate Covered Anything Day. National Chocolate Covered Anything Day, celebrated annually, is a whimsical and indulgent holiday that encourages people to experiment with chocolate in fun and creative ways. This day is all about dipping, drizzling, or coating different types of food in chocolate, embracing the idea that almost anything can be improved with a touch of chocolate. On this day, chocolate enthusiasts and culinary adventurers explore the versatility of chocolate as a coating for a wide range of items, from traditional choices like fruits and nuts to more unconventional options like bacon, popcorn, or even spicy peppers. The possibilities are virtually endless, inviting people to push the boundaries of their culinary imagination. Celebrations can include hosting chocolate dipping parties, trying out new recipes, or visiting local chocolatiers and confectionaries that might offer special treats in honor of the day. Social media often sees an influx of pictures and recipes featuring various chocolate-covered creations. National Chocolate Covered Anything Day is not just a celebration of the universal appeal of chocolate, it's a day for people to express their creativity and share their love for this versatile and delicious treat. Whether you're a chocolate purist or an adventurous foodie, this day offers something for everyone to enjoy. Day of Reconciliation. The Day of Reconciliation is a significant public holiday in South Africa, observed annually on December 16. This day has deep historical and cultural importance in the country, symbolizing the effort to foster reconciliation and national unity following the decades of apartheid. Originally, December 16 held different meanings for different segments of South African society. For Afrikaners, it was commemorated as the Day of the Vow, marking the victory of Voortrekkers over the Zulus at the Battle of Blood River in 1838. For the African National Congress, ANC and other anti-apartheid movements, the same day in 1961 marked the start of the armed struggle against apartheid with the formation of Umkhonto we Sizwe, Spear of the Nation. After the end of apartheid and the establishment of a democratic South Africa, December 16 was transformed into the Day of Reconciliation in 1995. This reimagining of the day was part of a broader effort to promote reconciliation and national unity in a country with a deeply divided past. The Day of Reconciliation involves various events and activities across South Africa, including cultural exhibitions, discussions, and ceremonies that reflect the country's diverse heritage. It is a day for South Africans to reflect on their shared history, acknowledge past injustices, and work towards a future based on mutual respect and understanding. This day serves as a reminder of the country's journey from a divided past towards a united future, emphasizing the importance of reconciliation, peace, and social cohesion in building a prosperous and inclusive nation. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.